Hi, my dear friend. Today I would like to talk with you about reputation in modern business. Today everything working oppositely than old era. Today not brand working, not company working. Today working our reputation. We make brand and our services make reputation. How we deal with people, how we interact with people, how we communicate with our people, customer, team, that is our reputation. Reputation, it means common opinion about ourselves, our company, opinion of our customer about us, their feedback, it makes sense and it's our reputation and credibility. To make our reputation and credibility, one should work relentlessly whole his life or her life. This is not one day show, this is a whole life show. In my case, I created first of all my crewing recruitment business. I have experienced more than 23 years. In 23 years, I encompass in maritime industry credibility, people respect with my and my team good works, excellent delivery to customers. Second, last year in 1.5 years, I have written more than 130 books, and this is my own experiences, this is my own reflection, what I have thoughts inside me, and this is a whole my history in all books, and my guidance to world, that is my credibility. Third, my training and consultancy which I give to maritime people, general people, social people, every and each one. Fourth, philanthropic, what I do philanthropic, help orphanage, help needy people, and I have created selfless fund. Then fifth, GMC, Global Maritime Community, where I have united across the globe all leaders in our maritime industry, and we are serving industry and seafarers with empathy, love and enthusiasm. You see, these are 5 pillars of credibility today created for me across the globe, that I can make any business and people would like to connect with me. So, you see, here is not working company or brand, working person, myself. So, my dear friend, I would like to emphasize you and ask you, don't focus on brand, focus on yourself, what you are doing. And whenever you are thinking about reputation and credibility, think about what you are adding to others, your customer and people. Always remember that not your brand is yourself. So, always remember each and every second about your reputation, then your reputation will not forget you.